YouTubing. Going to the sauna today. First time. Yeah, it's be a good day. We got eggs. What are the eggs for?
Yeah, when you do an Costum sauna, you want to order and it can noodle on this one.
Oh, a little dinner. Oh, I like that. You guys see that? You can get some. You just get the eggs here, and then you can order the noodles, and they'll take it to you when you're in the sauna. I like that. Now that's service. Let's go check it out, guys. It's for the ladies. I don't know which is which. Is it unisex? Can I go in here? Okay. Oh, okay. So they got, you can do, get yourself ready here, guys. If you look at, they've got hair dryer, a nice, handsome guy in the mirror, and a beautiful lady over there. All right, we got lockers. I think it's a unisex changing room, so let's go see how this goes here. This is going to be interesting. First time at a Cambodian bathhouse. Let's see how this goes. Get a little check this out, guys. That's the hot. That's the cold. And of course, they have Asian action movie on the screen there. This is gonna be good. And we gotta have our tea. We have hot tea. Gotta do the hot tea before you get into the pool, you know? What do you think? How's the tea? Is it good?
Yeah, very good. Very and good. Make you feeling good when you are like Cambodian, like now it's cold, but when you drink hot tea, make you feeling good. Yeah. Cheer everyone.
Jol Moy. Very good tea for clear. So so we got something. They give us some hard-boiled eggs, but they're not exactly hard-boiled. They're like halfway hard-boiled. So Linda will show you what we got here because I'm gonna pass.
And when you come to Siem in sauna, you have to eat this one egg and make you look kilo also. Very good. Make you power.
It's a little too runny for my taste. I will admit it. I'm a weakling. It's like the half-baked eggs, only there's no baby. It's just like, I don't know how to explain it. Just think of a raw egg that's, instead of being hard-boiled, solid. It's like only 50% hard-boiled. I'm gonna get some noodle. Number one badang here. I love the noodles. Let's see how these look. All right, guys, here we go. We got some noodles, ramen noodle. Look at this right here. Spicy. It's ramen like you get anywhere else in the world. Good stuff here. Let's see how they do.
Hot.
Very hot. Not bad. They're not down. 24 cents a bag at Walmart noodles for sure, but they're a lot more spicier, but they're not bad though. It's definitely ramen noodles. Spaceship food, you know? Let's try these eggs next. I had to get them a little hard, so we'll see. Yeah, the tea is delicious. But, yeah, it's flu season here in Cambodia. Fortunately, I don't have a cold that I know of. Little Linda though, she's got a little sniffle going on. Very good. Check out these eggs. I'm gonna pass on the eggs. We sent them back. They were 50% cooked, and we said make them hard, and they come back 60% cooked. So Linda will eat no problem, so they won't go to waste. That's good. But for me, I'm gonna just pass on the eggs and enjoy this delicious top ramen noodle. Here's a quick peek real quick in the sauna, guys, just show you what it looks like. They got it open right now. That's the wet sauna, so it gets piping hot for sure. Then they've got shower facilities, of course. I'll show real quick here the shower facilities. And they've got towels for you here. They've got soap, shampoo. You want a toothbrush, toothpaste, they got it all. So. Gonna get in the sauna now. We did the wet sauna and the dry sauna. Now we're gonna get into the hot tub here and finish off the rest of this spa here. It's a pretty cool place. So let's get in here and check the water out. This is the sauna. The water is too damn hot to really get inside of it, but let's check it out, guys. This is says 43.3, but I think it's a lot hotter than that for sure. Let's check it out. Wow, I want to get in deeper, but I don't know if I can. Our little Linda just joined us. What do you think? Is it too hot?
Very hot.
Very hot, yeah. I think because we come out of the sauna. We got a sun door back there. Yeah, very hot.
Very hot.
Okay, we ask them and they say 43 degrees Celsius, or yeah, it is the correct temperature. This shit is hot. My Linda enjoying.
Hello. Hello guys, come to Siem sauna with me, and wow, and the water look very hot. Now I'm Tom Yam soup. Yummy.
Yeah, you go into the dry sauna, like we say, and then the wet like 3 times, and then you come out into the hot tub, and then you go over to the cool, which we'll go to right now in the next. There's some more places we're gonna check out here too. They've got some more facilities here than just a sauna. Let's go check some more things out here after the cold. Let's go to the cold. Now it's into the cold. Oh my God, this shit is gonna shock the system. Oh my God, that's not even a joke. That's like ice cubes. It's 9 degrees Celsius, guys. What the hell? Oh my God, hold the camera in case I pass out. Here, I'm gonna get in. Wow. Wow. Oh my God. I can't get in. That's cold as shit. Too cold for you?
Yeah, very cold.
Very cold. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it's like they got ice cubes in here, guys. It's like almost like they just need ice on top and you could ice skate. It's that cold. Oh my God. Wow. I want to go here. I bet that's not cold. Yeah, it hurts my skin. Does your skin hurt? Because it's so cold. Does it hurt your skin?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow. I mean, it's no joke. But I think that's the popular thing right now is the ice cube therapy, where you jump into a bathtub with ice cubes. Not my style, people. I'm sorry. Maybe I'm just old. Oh, some of these older guys here, man, they have no problem. They just go all the way into their neck, and it's like, wow. I don't know how to do that. Oof. Yeah, this place is pretty cool, guys. They've got, of course, we saw the dry sauna and the wet sauna, and then they had the ice cold pool. Literally, I mean, it's like right just above freezing. I didn't catch the 9. I'm still trying to figure out Fahrenheit to Celsius, but nonetheless, then they got the really boiling hot water, like I said, and then now they've got. We're outside by the pool. They got a full pool here, guys. Check this out. And they've got a kitchen and a workout room too with weights. They've got all the treadmills, everything you guys could want. Let's go check those out right now. Hang on, and we'll tell you the price at the end. You guys will blow your mind here how much this all costs. It's very, very cheap. We're gonna walk into the gym right now, guys, and show you what they got here. They've got lots of treadmills. The music's going good. Copyright. They've got all kinds of weight benches here. Yeah, it's a good day here, guys. I'm gonna step outside real quick so we don't get piss off the YouTube algorithm with the copyright there, because Cambodia is tough to do sometimes because they always got music going in the background. Okay, we're gonna go check out the restaurant now. Let's go. This is the restaurant here, guys. They got. It looks like it's not very busy right now, but looks like a cool place to hang out. Maybe get a bite to eat after you're done here. They got a large sitting area here. Yeah. So this is a pretty cool place, guys. When you're over here in Siem Reap, Cambodia, you guys got to check this place out here. We'll get you the prices here coming up right now. Well, that's it, guys. Hang on, we're going to tell you the price right now. You'd be surprised. All right, guys, there you got it. We had a great day over here at the Cambodian Bathhouse here in Siem Reap. What a cool experience. Total ran us $12. We got some food. They give you some eggs for free, and they give you a lot of hot tea, unlimited, no charge. But it's $4 a person to enjoy the steam sauna and all the pools. And then if you pay for that, it's just $5 more. You can get a hot oil massage for one hour. And it's a great bargain. Yeah, right here in Siem Reap, Cambodia. We'll leave the location link down below in the comments. So let us know what you guys think. Would you guys come here? And if you would, let us know when you're coming. We'd love to see you. Ciao. See you guys next video.